The three habits that are quietly ruining your life. Before starting this video, I'd like to tell you guys that this video is only for the people who want to genuinely change, because there is a saying, you can't sell a pen to a person who needs a marker. Our whole day is filled up of habits. The habit of making your bed, the habit of opening your laptop, the habit of scrolling like that. The day is filled with many habits. Our day can't go without any habits. Some habits are good habits and some habits are bad habits. The first bad habit is doom scrolling or excessive scrolling. You have a phone that has pretty much anything or every information in this whole world, and you are doing what with that phone? You are scrolling mindlessly and you are doom scrolling. This habit is reducing your intelligence and your thinking power. You have many apps that have short form content like YouTube, that has YouTube Shorts, Instagram that has Reels, and TikTok. They all have short form content which are ruining our mind, and you are falling for it. So you have to remove this or break this habit of mindlessly scrolling. To do that, you need to delete the short form content with app like TikTok, Insta. You can't delete YouTube, but you need to delete that TikTok and Insta because it is deletable. If you delete that, your habit breaking of that mindless scrolling will be much easier, because you won't have anything to go to and scroll to. For YouTube Shorts, you can download an app from Play Store. You can search that YouTube Shorts blocker. It will only block YouTube Shorts, not YouTube videos. So you need to block short form content like YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok Reels from affecting you by deleting them. By this step, you will be very much likely to quit scrolling. The second bad habit is lack of consistency. Almost half of the population of this earth are lacking consistency. If they do exercise, they will do for 2 days and they will quit because it's hard. If they start an YouTube channel, they will quit after 2 3 days because it is too tiring. If they start learning a new skill, they will quit very soon. If they start learning a new skill, they will quit very soon because it is very hard to learn. So you must not possess this habit, because this is the most life ruining habit of all time. Because if you do not have consistency, you cannot achieve anything. If you post only two videos in YouTube, why will you get successful? Because posting consistently will only get you successful in any field, and doing things consistently and learning things consistently will only make you likely to achieve success in your life. For fixing lack of consistency, you need to go watch my previous video. I will tell you one point that you need to follow the 2 minute rule. The third bad habit that ruins your life by stopping your development, making you more stressed, making your cortisol level high, is bad sleep routine. Sleep is one of the most important thing in a human's life, because it is the period where your body develops, where your body recovers. And if you don't take good enough or good quality sleep, you will never be able to stay calm and be able to be productive in life. If you go to sleep at 11 p.m. and wake up at 4 a.m., it is very bad if you follow this routine. If one day you go to sleep at 11 p.m. and one day you go to sleep at 12 p.m., it is very bad to have inconsistent bed sleep time. So, if you want to improve your life, you need to improve or break this habit of bad sleep routine. If you want to improve your sleep quality and sleep life better, then you can watch my recently uploaded video about sleep. I will tell you one point that you need to wake up without an alarm, or try to wake up without alarm most of the time. And if you want more details, you can go to that video. So this was for the video, and we will meet you tomorrow with a new solution of a new problem.